Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have a makeup haul for y'all. So I've been shopping and doing a little damage. This is definitely a collective makeup haul. And I wanted to go ahead and share with you all what products I have new coming into my collection. I have Giorgio Armani, like drugstore makeup, stuff I got from Amazon, stuff I bought from Mercari, MAC, Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So if you'd love to see what products I picked up, definitely continue watching. Also, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and let's just go ahead and jump right in. So again, I did make some damage, and this is a collective makeup haul, and just wanted to share with you all the products that I've been buying things, and they're chilling and need to be used. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right in. The first place I picked up some products was Giorgio Armani. They had 30% off site-wide. I believe they did. I'm just a VIB for Sephora, so I only get 15% off when they have their sales. So I definitely wanted to place an order, especially seeing 30% off. Like, yes, please, and thank you. So I did pick up 3 of the eye tints. So I picked up 2 shimmer ones and 1 matte, and then I also did pick up the Luminous Silk Perfect Glow Foundation. This is a Luminous Silk foundation, so let's start off with that. So I picked up the shade 5.75. I have been getting a tan recently. Well, a few months ago I went to Jamaica. A week from now we'll be going to Cancun, so I definitely be getting some more color on my skin. So I picked up 5.75. I do feel like it might be okay. So I've heard really good things about this, and I just picked up the smaller size just because I have quite a few foundations in my collection. So I hadn't tried this in a while, so again, 30% off site-wide, decided to go ahead and pick that up. Next up, again, I got the eye tint, so I got the shade Cashew, Sparkle, and Tobacco. Tobacco's so popular for them, but again, I wanted to try them, 30% off. So this is what the shade Cashew looks like, just a matte version. I also picked up Tobacco. Again, that is a popular shade, so I definitely wanted to pick that up. It's just a bronzy toned color there. And then lastly, I also picked up the shade Sparkle, so this will be just nice to have a little sparkle on the lids. As you can see there, it's really, really pretty. I have not used these yet again. They've just been chilling. I do need to shop my stash and get some use out of it. It's funny because I do use some of my makeup here and there, but a lot of the time I wait until I shop my stash and film them to actually use new products. I'm pretty bad about using new makeup unless I shop my stash for them, but some of these products I actually have used once. Another product that I picked up actually was from Mercari. I do have my store link down below if you guys would like to buy any of my decluttered makeup. I have some palettes on there, but with my credits, I did pick up this Valentino Eye to Cheek Dual Use Blush and Shadow in the shade number 5. I was a little worried about the shade, but once I got it in, I was like, okay, it's not too bad. And the formula, I have yet to use it on my skin. I just swatched it, but it is more like on a red tone color there. But it's just like so silky and nice. The formula is really, really nice. And as you can see here, it was pretty much discounted and not really used. So I'm excited to use this. Another product I went to is a TJ Maxx, yeah, and I saw this. I've been wanting to pick it up, and anytime they have the mascaras like half off at Ulta, I always eye this, but I never pick it up. And again, this was pretty much half off, $12.99 from TJ Maxx. It's a It Cosmetics / Blowout Mascara, and again, I have always wanted to try it, and I just never pick it up. But this is the packaging there. It's so cute. It looks like a hairbrush, but I like volumizing mascaras, and this is in the shade Good Lash Black. So I saw it and said, you've been wanting to try it, go ahead and pick it up. So I did that. And skin tints are really popular right now, and I decided to pick some of these up. These are the Para, what are these called? Ink Mood Glowy Tints. I've really been enjoying my Kulfi ones, and then there's a lot of popular ones like that Sephora sells, but these ones were pretty affordable. I actually only paid $11 for all these 3 because we had a credit on Amazon. So I ended up picking shade 22, 14, and 28. So let me go ahead and swatch them. So I did swatch them. I was thinking, wow, I got pretty much similar colors, but this is 22, the middle one's 14, and then the last one over here is 28. As you can see there, pretty similar tones. I probably should have picked more different tones. And this is what the packaging looks like. It's actually really pretty. This is like a Korean brand. Again, a skin tint, and they're really comfortable. The formula is pretty similar to the Kulfi lip tints or the stains that they have. And again, these are probably like $10, I think, each. Oh, how cute. I just saw it has like a little bunny on there. in the clear part. Not sure if you'll be able to see it, but these are pretty comfortable. I have tried them on and they've been pretty nice. Again, we had a credit and I only paid $11 for all three, so I got a deal. But overall, these so far, I have actually used a couple of these and I have been liking them, but I did notice that I pretty much got similar tones, so definitely be careful that they look pretty similar, so be careful when you're picking out shades online. So you can tell the difference like in person, but like these last two, what was it, I think 22 and 28, they're kind of similar. The middle one is more on the brownie tone side in person, so I probably should have picked a different tone, but overall we'll be okay. They're pretty nice. Okay, so next up is MAC Cosmetics. I actually picked up, I placed an order because they had 40% off. I'm pretty sure, unless it was 40 or 30% off. I'm pretty sure it was 40. That's why I was like, okay, I need to jump on that because I've only seen 25, 30%. Yeah, I think it was 40. So I picked up 3 of the Glow Play blushes, and then I also picked up 1 of the Extra Dimension blush in the shade Fairly Precious. Y'all know that Nikki LaRose influences our purchases a lot of the time, so I picked this up. She raved about this at one point, and I don't have this in my collection, so I decided to pick it up. So beautiful. Like, again, right now I'm just so into glowy skin, and this will be perfect. Maybe this will come with me on my trip. I thought it was a highlight, but yeah, it is a highlight. It kind of looks like a blush topper kind of too. So it looks really pretty. I have yet to use it again, so I picked that up. And then the 3 Glow Play blushes that I picked up, the first one is Grand. We'll be able to see. I don't really want to swatch them just because they're cream to powder blushes, but I got Grand, I got Groovy, and then I also got the shade Blush Pepper. So I will put them up like this so you guys can kind of see the tones. Again, this is Grand, this one's Groovy, and then this one is Blush Pepper. So those are the 3 shades I picked up. I have yet to use them. I did have So Natural at one point, but I feel like that one, you could barely see it on my skin when I did use it. So I ended up decluttering that. But these, I did go into Ulta just to swatch them because they, again, had 40% online. So I just wanted to go somewhere where they had them in store that I could swatch. That way I can pick accordingly online. And those are the 3 that I ended up with. So the next few items, they are drugstore. And I picked them up while grocery shopping. I've been doing order online and pick up in store at Walmart. And a lot of these products I picked up during my grocery hauls and grocery pickups. I just throw them in the cart and go from there. So this is another like Nikki LaRose purchase. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Blurfection. I ended up picking up the shade, which one is this one? Oh, 20 Translucent Light. This is so small, like, and everybody is correct. Like, there is not that much product in here. It's 0.21 ounces. I have used this a few times. This is what these, can you guys even see the sifter? It's like literally just right here. So a little bit comes out most of the time. Actually really been enjoying it. It's on my skin today to set my foundation, and I really like it, and I think I'm going to take this with me on my trip, so I've been enjoying that. I've also have used this e.l.f. Holy Hydration Thirst Burst Drops. This is dewy and brightening. It says it has 1% hydrating hibiscus complex and 5% niacinamide. So I was thinking it was going to be more hydrating, which it kind of is. Can you tell? Right there. And this is in the shade Juicy Pink. It says it's Juicy Pink Gel Drop. So it looks pink on the top. And it does kind of have like a slight pink tint. I'm actually pretty surprised how nice this packaging is. I feel like it's glass because it's pretty heavy. Babs Beauty actually mentioned this in Best Makeup in 2025 so far, something like that, some kind of video like that, and she said it's pretty smoothing, and I did notice it was pretty smoothing as well. I was thinking it would be more hydrating on the skin, but I did find that it kind of smoothed my face, and my foundation looked really nice on top of it, so I'm excited to keep using that because I've really been enjoying it. Huda Beauty came out with those lip stains, and I've been seeing really mixed reviews, so I decided to just buy the CoverGirl ones and try them out. So I did pick up these shade Shuggy Girl and Natural Blush. Shuggy Girl I thought was going to be like a more light nude kind of color, but it's not. It definitely has like some color to it. It's not very nude on the lips. It's deeper than I thought. This is what the applicator looks like, if you can see there. Lip stains again are really hyped right now, so I decided to just buy the drugstore versions, and I just started with these two, so we will go from there. Okay, the other few products left from grocery hauls that I've done, again, this is collective, so it's not that I picked all this stuff up at once. I also wanted to try the Maybelline lifter liners. This one's in the shade On It. Actually, this is another one that Nikki LaRose had me intrigued to pick up. It's more of like an everyday nude kind of color. I haven't tried those yet. This one as well. This is the NYX lip liner in the shade Nude Truffle. Another one that Nikki LaRose influenced to pick up. So again, this is the tone up here. So excited to try that. And then lastly, another Nikki LaRose purchase or recommendation is the L'Oreal Lumi liquid blush. This is in the shade Dewy Bright Pink. Oh my gosh, this is pigmented. I applied 2 dots and it went a long way. So I would recommend using 1 dot, but overall it's really, really pretty on, and I want to pick up more of these, but mama needs to chill. And then lastly, during makeup hauls and grocery hauls, I picked up the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Yummy Gloss. This one is in the shade Sunset Skies. I really like these glosses. They're so nice and like not sticky, and they're just so comfortable on the lips. And I, again, Huda Beauty came out with the lip stains with those sheer glosses, and I really like the peachy one. So I wanted to pick it up, but again, since I was getting the CoverGirl ones, and then I saw this one online and I was like, this might be pretty similar. Again, I really like these Yummy Gloss formulas, and I decided to just get the CoverGirl ones instead. So this is quite a bit of makeup, so I need to chill and start using my stuff. And then lastly, I just have a Jeffree Star cosmetic order. I usually don't pick up, like, place orders on his site. He's just too controversial, but I have to admit he has really good makeup. And the only reason I picked something up on his site is because my friend had sent me a gift card for his website last year for my birthday. And my birthday is here again. What birthday month? My birthday is July 27th. I had totally actually forgotten that I had the gift card, and I was like, wait, my friend sent me that gift card that I need to use, or else it's just money that's not gonna be used. So I'm gonna take advantage and use the gift card that was given to me. I saw he had like a slight sale, so that's why I decided to just go ahead and use it. So he has these blush lighters. So they're the Skin Frost Highlighting Blush. I picked up 2, and I picked up the shade Fatal Orchid and Peach and Desist. And then he had his single shadows for $1 each, so that's how I was able to get free shipping, was throw in stuff in my cart and then get free shipping. And the gift card mostly covered everything. I only had to pay like a few dollars out of my pocket. But again, the highlighting blushes, this is in the shade Peach and Desist. I haven't even, did I open these? I don't even know if I have opened these. I probably did, but I haven't swatched them yet. So he has his pink packaging, and this is what it looks like. It's like peach, and it has like a little bit of greenish gold flecks on there. Can you guys see? Not really. Oh, look right there, you can kind of see that it has that grainy gold kind of flecks in there. I really like his formula. It's really, really nice. So let's see. That's pretty. It looks more like a highlighter on me, like the swatch. I don't know if you can tell. Oh, kind of right here. It's really pretty. And then I also picked up, so actually, let me go back. So for these, you can actually get 3 shades out of it. So you can just do your brush in the peachy part, you can do your brush in the greeny gold part, or mix it all together and get another tone. And these seemed nice and fun, so I got that. And then I also picked up the Fatal Orchid shade, which this one you can really tell the difference in the marbling in there. So it looks pink, but it's purple in person and white. So again, mixing both of the shades together, it gives you kind of like a light pink highlights or blush, more highlight. Ooh, that's pretty too. Right there, you can kind of, ooh, it looks pretty, like the glow, but in person you can tell it's like a little pinky glow. It's really, really pretty. Again, he has really good formula, but a lot of people don't like him just because he's very controversial again. And I had my gift card, so I didn't want to waste it. And then lastly, I picked up the shadows, and I pretty much picked shadows that I could travel with, which I just realized I thought I got more than these, but maybe I didn't. I'll have to check my receipt. Yeah, I guess I only got 4 shadows. I thought I got 6, but I guess not. I guess I just got 4. So I picked up the shade 1985. Looks like it's like a purpley tone there. I used to have the shade Weirdo, and I gave it away. I really like that palette. It's very wearable. And then this one is in the shade Only Child, so it's like a burgundy tone. Really pretty as well. And then next up I got Yak Farm, which is like a nude tone shade. And then lastly I got Freak Show, which is it a dark brown, I think? Yeah, it's like a chocolate dark brown, purpley brown. So again, I was thinking more shades that I can take with me like when I travel and stuff. I like taking small palettes with me when I travel, so I figured I can put these in. I have like a really small Z palette type, and I can put these in there and travel with me as well. So those are all the products I picked up. This is quite a bit. I need to chill and enjoy the new products that I got. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys have tried any of the products I picked up. What are you loving recently? Let me know down in the comment section below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!